Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Jan3 wallet account or log into it on the Aqua Wallet app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Aqua Wallet app on your device. And after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the wallet page. Now from here, in order to log into your existing Jan3 account, tap on the settings button at the bottom right corner. You will see the Jan3 account login section at the top. Tap on the login button and this will now ask you to enter your credentials. Just type in your email address that you have used while signing up to your account and then tap on the continue button. You will then be asked to enter your account password. Type in the password within the given section and after you enter your password, tap on login. If you have set up a two-factor authentication, you may be asked to enter your security code through your authentication method. After completing all of this, you will be logged in to your Jan3 account on the Aqua Wallet. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Jan3 account on the Aqua Wallet app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.